Hi everyone, my name is Hiroaki Sato, Consul at the Consular Office of Japan in Portland. I came to Portland last April and enjoying this city very much. I also enjoyed the Mochitsuki festival last year. Today I'm gonna talk about rice. I know this is Mochitsuki festival, but the mochi rice is kind of rice. So please enjoy. I'm gonna talk about how to choose and cook rice. You may not notice that there are products of the United States and products of Japan. I recommend you to check the quality of rice before purchasing. White grains, broken grains, and cracked grains are not good taste. You can also check the new crop sticker. You may think there are big price difference between brands, but actually it is small for one per bowl. Our family will need 3 cups tomorrow, so I will do 3. So 1, 2, 3. Rinse first. Rinse. So the water is a little white. Then next, wash. Like this.
If you did 2 cups of rice, you need 2 and 1 cup of water. I did 3 cups of rice, so I do 3 plus 1 cup. But when you did 1 cup, the plus 1 is too much, so I recommend you 1 plus half cup. Okay, so I do 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is.
Good morning. Rice absorbed water well. So let's start cooking. Set the highest heat. About 10 minutes later, once it boiled, turn to the lowest. About 5 minutes later, no steam is coming out, so it's turned off. Now it's cooked well. See? Like this.
If you like stickier texture, you can cook rice with mochi rice. Mochi rice is a sweet rice in other name. like this. So let's try. So I will cook 3 cups again. So this time, 2 cups of normal rice, and about 1 cup of mochi rice. Then I wash it. 3, 4.
So, mochi mix rice smells good.